welcome back. Today I'm at the emergency shelter I built in a previous video, and I thought I'd come back today and make an omelette, because who doesn't want an omelette? Alright, so I'm going to start my fire, get it ready, and then cook up my omelette. Alright, so today I'm going to be making an omelette, and I've got my ingredients here. I've got tomato and onion all chopped up before I come out. Got some ham, got my eggs, and then some like herbs and salt and pepper and that sort of thing. And I'm going to be doing it in my nice little frying pan. See that? Ooh. Doing it in my nice little frying pan here. So I thought I'd just come out the woods. I've been ill quite a while. Haven't been up here for a long time. I think my last camping trip was cow shot, so that was quite a while ago. And I thought I'd come up today and have a nice relaxing day, as I'm still getting over the flu. And cook something wholesome. So I'm going to be using 2 eggs in here. Get my protein. So I'm just waiting for the fire to die down into embers. There was an ember just flew over it. I'm going to wait till it dies down, so it's good for cooking over no flame. It's more a controlled heat, because I don't want to burn my egg. So I'm whisking it up now with my nice little handmade spatula, and add a bit of milk. chips in. A little bit in there. Give it some flavour. And then I'm going to be adding some salt and pepper. Lovely. There's sort of hot embers now, and it's good cooking heat. Good heat for cooking. It's been a while since I've been up the woods. I've been ill for about 2 weeks or something, so I haven't been videoing that often, or at all actually. The last video I did was at cow shot, and it's been a while since I've been up here and actually been on my own and doing a video. And I think when you're at home and you're at home all the time in your town or wherever, you do appreciate how lovely it is to be up here and how peaceful it is. So I missed it a lot being up here, being by myself. It's lovely to get away from it all and actually reflect on who you are and what you want to do with your life. So in a town you're just surrounded constantly by buildings and people, and it's like the same kind of thing each day. And I think out here it's the unknown, it's unexpected, and it's when I come out here it's an escape for me. It's a bit of freedom and just to get to know myself really, and I think that's the beauty of being in the outdoors, actually reconnecting with who you are and where you came from pretty much. And I admire people who are into the outdoors, if they do a YouTube channel or just enjoy coming out for walks or doing bushcraft or whatever. I think hats off to you all, because it's a great feeling doing what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing. I get to come outside and share what I'm doing with YouTube and video the tasks and the activities and my adventures, and get lovely comments from all my subscribers and you guys, and it does mean a lot when people write such nice things about what you're doing, and it's really inspiring. So I haven't been into bushcraft itself for that long. I've started the channel like I think a few months ago, and I've always been into camping and just being outdoors and that sort of thing, probably because it's where I feel mostly alive and happy. But since I've been outside more and more, so every weekend through the week, I feel a lot happier, like within myself, and more confident, and it kind of like strips you of your ego and makes you, I would say, a better person. So I think it is really good to just get outside, even if it's just once a week or whatever. It's nice to spend time on your own and get to know yourself and your limits and your weaknesses and your positives, and it's just good. Really just thinking about that, I feel the people who are self-sufficient and don't rely on the grid are probably more confident, more self-assured, self-motivated people than people in the city and that, just because they know they don't rely on the grid and they're relying on themselves. It must be just a good feeling, just being outside, living outside, just pretty much living the dream. And so I hope to one day be self-sufficient and live somewhere really rural and just feel good about myself and be self-sufficient. So I say this in a lot of my videos, and I know I've said this before, but when I first started my channel, did my first video, I thought it was just for a bit of fun, really. It was just having a bit of fun, seeing where it'd go, really. And I would never believe back then how quickly my channel has grown and how quickly I've gained subscribers and views. I just couldn't believe it, really, but it's all thanks to you guys who watch my videos and who inspire me through the lovely comments that you send me and messages. So it makes me believe in myself more and makes me want to go out and make more videos. But I never think I'd be on this amount of subscribers already. So it's great. It's really shocking though, but it's lovely to be able to come out here and make more videos through your support. So I love being able to take you on my journeys and my adventures and being able to share it with such like-minded people, which is just a nice thing because we all share the same interests, which is great. So I think the first person that I started watching, well, the first two people, I think it was Joe Robinette and Survivable Lily, and I was just watching them and I thought, oh my, they must be so confident, which they are, to just speak to the camera so naturally. And I just was pretty much amazed with how natural they were on a camera and how easily they could speak to thousands of people, and it was just amazing watching them and seeing their adventures and learning skills off of them. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to start my channel and see how it goes, and it's great to see that a lot of people like watching my videos, and it just makes you feel a lot more confident in yourself. So sorry for the rant, I feel confident each time I speak to the camera, so I'm speaking more natural to the camera, but just chatting on. So I didn't say this in my cow shop video, but I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and a great new year. It's 2018 now, so I hope you all have a good new year. Hope you become a better person, whatever you judge as a better person. I hope you succeed in that. And just, I think in the new year, just try and learn more skills and try and just be a better person, really. And I think that's kind of my goal as well, trying to learn more skills, trying to be outside more, and just being happy. I think that's the main thing in life, just being happy, really. Can't wait for you to be joining me on many adventures in 2018. I'm going to be doing a lot more different things, and you're going to be watching me going through a lot of learning curves. That's what it's all about. So thanks for listening to that little rant, that little chat. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you all have a great new year. So thanks guys, see you later.